And yes, I am back with another video. Happy Vlogmas. I don't know what day it is because I'm just trying to keep up, if you guys don't mind. I hope you guys don't mind. I hope you guys don't mind that I did not have on any makeup, but I was so excited that I received my order from Erin Condren. You guys know that I am big on budgeting, and every year I do something different with my budget book. You guys remember the budget Bible from last year, my baby. I love that book, but I want something with everything in it, and I've been wanting the Erin Condren book for maybe a whole year now. So I'm not gonna do any rambling, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my Erin Condren book. All right guys, so let's go ahead and unbox her. Okay, so here is the box here, and when I open it, this is it here. So me personally, I got the deluxe monthly, and so in the box it comes, I'm guessing this is a newsletter with a 20% off code, which is pretty cool because they are pretty pricey. And a couple of different, like, I don't know, like some little, oh, I guess this is like if you were gifting this to somebody, you can put the two in the from as a gift. I did purchase this for Black Friday, and as you see, it has the tissue paper with the sticker to where we can open it up. Oh my. And then of course the bubble wrap. And this is the book. Okay, so this is what it comes in, all wrapped up, all nice and neat. I'm so excited, and it's so thick. I got the bigger version, and the only reason I got the bigger version, oh my goodness, and I customized it. Instead of putting my name here, I customized it to put "Peace Be Still." That is my motto. Peace be, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So this is how it looked. I did not get the 5x9 version. I got the 8x11. So this is huge. I'll grab my notebook so you guys can have a comparison. Okay, so just so you guys can have a comparison, this book here, this is my little notes book. It is a 7x10. 7x10. So maybe the other one is, it's a smaller version. Well, I think the other one is about this size. So just so you guys can have a comparison, this is how much bigger this one is compared. So I think I know mine is the bigger one. I think it's an 8x11. It's just like a regular tablet. I have to make sure this is gonna fit in my purse. But I love it. I went with the metallic like the leaves look, so beautiful, black and gold. I did not do the gold spiral because it was an extra $10 and ain't nobody got time for that. And then I did go with the colorful version in the inside. So this is the first page here. Oh my goodness. And it gives you a just a layout of 2019, 2020, and here it has new beginnings, new mindset, new focus. And then this is a notes page. Passion and purpose give you progress. So this is January 2020. And the thing I liked about this, you have like a overview, right, of the of that month. Like if you want to put in like some little overviews, you have that for January along with some months. And then you also have the days of the month on the next page. And these pages are very, very thick. So that's January 2020. And then after that, you actually have notes, which I would do my budget. Oh man, you have 5 notes pages after every month. And then of course it goes to the next month. This is pretty pricey. Erin Condren is very, very pricey. So just by initial unboxing, and then it has a folder at the back, which I love. Like if you want to keep some like important documents or some reminders, you do have a folder at the back. Honestly, It's beautiful and I love it and I'm into it. But honestly, I wouldn't say the average person would need something like this. But it's awesome and straight to the point. I'm almost wondering if I should have gotten the life one, but honestly I don't write enough. I feel like whatever I need to do, I can do it here in this one, and I'm in love with her. Now, the purse that I'm currently carrying is this Coach bag right here, and I need to make sure she'll be able to fit. So I'll remove both of my notebooks because this book will be taken up for both of those. Let's do the test. And she fits, guys. She fits in great. So awesome. So she fits in, and this is one of my smaller bags, so I know she'll fit properly in my bigger bag. But y'all, this is so nice. I'm gonna look at the back of this to make sure I'm not missing anything. Wow. Then you have like once December's over, you have a layout of 2021, and then you have a number of notes page. So it's like a miniature notebook at the back. Oh, this is awesome. And then you have some stickers. So honestly, I can use these stickers for my budget. So what I might do is just label this, and then, so this is pretty cool. The stickers actually do this. So pretty cool if you want to like decorate it up. And of course you can buy some separate stickers or whatever if you're into that plan in life. But I am absolutely in love with this. I have a visitor today, guys, so she's trying to keep quiet for me, because you know, with this YouTube stuff going on with kids and all that in the videos, I don't need no problems. But this is so nice, and like I said, I got the deluxe monthly, the colored version, because you can either do colored or black and white. I am absolutely obsessed. And again, instead of getting my name right here, I just did a little quote, "Peace be still." That just brings a calmness to my life, especially when I'm budgeting. So guys, I absolutely love her. I'm glad I waited to unbox her. I want to say the price of it was pretty steep. The price, but I got, so they had a 30% off sale. And then you guys know me, I'm budgeter. So I went on Retail Me Not, because I initially wanted this because of Shay Budgets here on YouTube. She's a budgeter. She is a YouTuber that does videos on budgeting, planning, and now she's on the journey of buying a home. So I purchased this because of her, but it of course wouldn't let me use her coupon along with the 30% off, but it did let me use the Retail Me Not coupon along with the 30% off. So I ended up getting her, I think it was $35 once, and so that was after a $50 book. So do I think it's necessary? I mean, you don't have to, but me, I do. It's something I'm going to carry all year long, so I deemed it to be necessary. Now I don't do a whole lot of spending, but and then it's really good material. So I'm really excited, guys. I can't wait to write in her, and then the paper is very, very thick. So pretty excited about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is one of our Vlogmas videos where I'm showing you guys my new budget book for 2020. If you guys want to see like in depth, this was just an unboxing. If you guys want to see anything in depth of me, how I set my budget up or anything of that such, please let me know. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Big kisses. Mwah. Bye bye.